Imagine this. You open your laptop. Your AI agent has already checked your emails, prepared your stand-up notes, reviewed 3 pull requests, and fixed a bug that was reported overnight. You did nothing. 0 prompts. It just happened. This is not science fiction. I built this exact setup in 4 steps, and today I am going to show you how. By the end of this video, you will have your own AI agent that works for you 24/7. The biggest mistake developers make with AI agents is treating them like a chat window. You type a long, detailed prompt, hope for the best, and get frustrated when the result is not what you wanted. The fix is not better prompts. The fix is better context. This is called context engineering. Instead of writing longer prompts, you load your agent with rich context once: who you are, what you do, how you work, and then simple 2-word prompts produce perfect results. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to set this up in 4 steps. By the end of this video, your AI agent will know your preferences, remember corrections, connect to your tools, and run workflows automatically. Step 1, the context file. Create a file called CLAUDE.md in your project root. This is the single most important file for your agent. Think of it as onboarding a new employee. You would not just say write code and walk away. You would tell them about the project, the tech stack, the coding style, and the team preferences. Your CLAUDE.md does the same thing. Start with a section called About Me, your role, your company, what you build. Then add your tech stack: React, Node, PostgreSQL, whatever you use. Then preferences. Do you want tests first? Do you prefer TypeScript over JavaScript, conventional commits? Add it all. Then add working style. Are you concise or detailed? Do you like comments in code? Do you want explanations or just the code? The more you add, the smarter every single prompt becomes. Without this file, your agent is guessing. With it, a 2-word prompt like fix, this gives you exactly what you need. Step 2, memory. Create a file called memory.md. Then add 1 line to your claude.md file. When I correct you or you learn something new, update memory.md. That is it. Now your agent has a self-improving loop. Every time you say no, I prefer it this way, or actually use this pattern instead, the agent writes that preference into memory.md. Next session, it already knows. Your email sign-off, remembered. Your favorite design patterns, saved. The way you name variables, locked in. This compounds over time. After a week, your agent barely makes mistakes. After a month, it feels like it has worked with you for years. Most developers skip this step and wonder why their agent never improves. Memory is the difference between a tool and a teammate. Step 3, connect your tools with MCP. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It was built by Anthropic. Think of it as a universal translator between your agent and every tool you use. You create a config file that lists your tool connections. Gmail, so your agent can read and draft emails. Google Calendar, so it knows your schedule. Slack, so it can send messages. Notion, for your documentation. Stripe, for billing data. GitHub, for your repos. Each connection is just a few lines in a JSON file. Once connected, your agent is not just writing code anymore. It is running your entire workflow. It can check your calendar before scheduling a meeting. It can draft a reply to an email based on your memory preferences. It can pull data from Notion and format it into a report. This is where agents become truly powerful. They go from a coding assistant to a business operator. Step 4, create your first skill. A skill is just a markdown file with step-by-step instructions. Think of it as a standard operating procedure that your agent can execute anytime. Here's an example. Create a file called morning.md. Inside, write, check my Git history from the last 24 hours. Summarize what I worked on yesterday. List any open pull requests that need my review. Check my calendar for today. Format everything as bullet points for stand-up. Save it. Now every morning, you run this skill, and your stand-up prep is done in 10 seconds. Here's the power move. Add 3 to 5 new skills every week. Cold email drafts, code review checklists, weekly reports, client follow-ups, database backups. Each skill is a few minutes to write, but saves you hours over time. They compound. After a month, your agent handles 20 plus workflows automatically. After 3 months, it is running half your job. Now, let me show you all 4 pieces working together. I open Claude Code. It loads my CLAUDE.md. It knows I am a full-stack developer. I use React and Node. I prefer TypeScript. It loads my memory.md. It remembers I like conventional commits and detailed PR descriptions. It connects to my tools via MCP. It can check my email, calendar, and GitHub. And it has my skills ready: morning stand-up, code review, PR creation. Now I type 2 words: morning prep. Claude checks my Git log, summarizes yesterday, finds 3 open PRs, checks my calendar, 2 meetings today, and formats everything as stand-up notes, all in 10 seconds. No long prompt, no explanation needed. 2 words. That is the power of context engineering. You loaded the agent with everything it needs, and now simple prompts produce perfect results. Let me show you exactly how to run your agent automatically. Claude Code has a flag called -p. That stands for pipe mode. It means Claude runs completely on its own. No terminal, no typing, no interaction needed. Here is how you use it. Open your terminal and type Claude-P followed by your prompt in quotes. For example, Claude-P, run my morning prep skill. Hit enter. Claude runs the task, outputs the result, and exits. Done. Now to schedule it, you use Cron. Open your Cron tab by typing Cron tab-E. Then add a line like this: 07***, then Claude-P with your prompt. This means every day at 7 a.m., Claude runs your morning prep automatically. You can add as many scheduled tasks as you want. Friday at 5 p.m., generate my weekly report. Every hour, check for new GitHub issues. Every morning, draft replies to overnight emails. Your agent runs 24/7. You just set it and forget it. Now, here is where it gets really powerful. You do not have to run these skills manually. You can schedule them. Set your morning prep skill to run every day at 7 a.m. Set your code review skill to run every time a PR is opened. Set your weekly report to generate every Friday at 5 p.m. Your agent works while you sleep, while you eat, while you are in meetings. You wake up and everything is already done. This is not automation with complicated scripts. This is a markdown file on a schedule. That is it. Tomorrow in day 8, I will show you exactly how to set up scheduled tasks step by step. Day 7 of 30. You just built an AI agent in 4 steps. Context, memory, tools, skills. That's it. Subscribe for day 8. I'll show you how to schedule it to run while you sleep.